Hello world! In today's video, we're gonna be talking about Linux distribution. Let's get right in.
On your virtual box, you just need to click on the new button here. You can provide the name of your new machine, so my new machine name is Ubuntu. To change location, just click arrow and other. Then select folder. The type here is Linux because Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system.
The version here is Ubuntu 64-bit because we have downloaded the Ubuntu 64-bit ISO file.
And then click on next. Here in the memory size, I generally provide the memory up to the green mark, then click on next. And just leave everything as default and then click on the create button. On hard disk file type, just leave it as VID, then click next. Choose dynamically allocated, then next. On the next window, you can choose the file location, but in my case, I will choose default location. Also, you can choose hard disk size and just click on create. Once you create this machine, click on the settings option. On the general settings, you need to click on advanced and then in the shared clipboard option. Just need to choose bidirectional and then drag and drop also bidirectional. Now, I'm going to just go to the in the system option and go to the processor, and you can increase it to the green mark. And then move to the storage section. Here, you need to provide the location of your ISO file. Just click on the empty option here. Choose the CD icon option here and then click on choose this file. Then just need to locate your Ubuntu ISO file. Once you have done that, just click on OK. After that, you can start your Windows installation. You can see the installation of Ubuntu is going to start in a few seconds. When the disk check is completed or cancelled, select Install Ubuntu. Afterward, choose your keyboard layout and click Continue. After that, based on the type of installation, check the option to install updates and where to install third-party applications. Select something else and press Continue. Click New Partition Table. Next, click Continue from the pop-up window to create an empty partition table on the device. To create a partition as described next, double-click the free space. The size of the new partition from the total free space to create a root partition. Then set the type of the file system to ext4 and mount the point to / from the drop-down list. You must create a swap partition or area. To create a new partition, use a swap area. Double-click on the current free space, then enter the size of the swap partition and set the swap area. At this point, you should now see the two partitions created, the root partition and the swap partition. Next, click Install Now. You will be prompted to permit the installer to write the recent changes concerning partitioning to this. Click Continue to confirm. Afterward, select your location and click Continue. The next step is to provide your user details for system account creation, then click Continue. The system will now begin. Just wait it to finish. If the installation of the system is complete, click Restart Now to reboot your system. After restarting, log into your new Ubuntu 20.0 for Linux installation by entering the correct password you have entered during the user creation setup.
In this moment, we have to connect our online account, and in my case, I'll use my Google account.
Once you see ready to go, click Done to start using your system. You're done. You have just finished installing Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS on your computer.
I hope you learned a lot. Thank you for watching.